don't want me to be around. Oh my God, me too early to sing, man. Round. Alright, so the next our 3 camera install. So she got me down. One right there, so and one right there, so can put. So I know I'm not a clown. Next one you can watch. Alright, you can put one here, so. Yeah, so 3 camera will install. What am I telling you? Taking forward. Strong. Alright, so yes, so them can go right here. She know. Alright. So yeah. Alright, this is perfect. Riley, what happened? Riley? It's for them. What no Master Riley? What happened? You alright? Yeah man, me good man. You know, as some camera me I got plan for install. Riley? No Riley. These work very well. No, yeah. Master, I have to watch me yard, man. I can be your camera for your yard. Riley, what you doing? Riley, let me tell you something. I'm here to watch the community and I can watch your yard, right? You don't need no camera. Riley, come here, Riley. Give me a second, then, Master. Give me a second. Riley, come here. Let's try to be a chatting now, man. Yes, Master. What happened now, Master? Riley, come here. You know what say? We know who thief. Master caught them. Riley, I just said 2 big thief in son. Master, are them things they really are going in the community? Mm-hmm. Master, then thief? Yes. Shh. Oh, yes. Mm-hmm. Yeah, me never know say them things that them are going in the community with. Riley, and the other night, me see pastor wife. I come out of one big jeep, one of the Prado there. Yes. I say, oh God, man, if pastor ever find out. He say, Riley, me never know say you and Samantha left Riley. No, Master. Who tell you me and Samantha left now? No, Master, come on, man. Riley, well, me think you and I left because Riley. With me, Riley, the other night you gonna work, Riley. I see a Mark Vex. What them call it? Mark X. Pull up on your gate, Riley. Pull up on your gate, Samantha. Come in. The song where boy pull up a plane him. Go get the money, go. Riley. Yes. My wife, my girlfriend, my Samantha. You know somebody knows there's something off with that woman, yeah? Riley, don't do her anything. These will watch your yard for you. Master, you know what? She have to leave my house immediately. Riley, I'm gone. Wrong direction. Baby. Oh, wrong, Riley.